All right. What's up, everyone? How y'all doing? Let's go ahead. Oh, I forgot to set up the music again. Great. Sorry, guys. To be honest, woke up kind of early today, and I am not feeling that hot right now. Like I feel kind of like I just feel like I just feel shitty. Um, and yeah, so woke up early, had to do some stuff, and then around like 12 o'clock, I kind of fell asleep again. Let me just go over and let me just go ahead and switch over to. Come on, popular. This one. No, I feel like I played that one last time. Sorry, folks. Hang on for a second. This one. All right, let's go ahead and switch over. Hello, everyone. Good to see you. Rashad, Keith. Oh, sorry. I said your real name, King Philip. It took me a second to realize that it was. Actually, no. I never forget that it's you, Keith. So, but yeah, I saw your text. We'll figure something out soon, though. See, Prenga, Happy New Year, sir. Believe I replied to you for Shad. Let's see, Prenga, you should invite Kite to your stream. Maybe in the future we'll figure something out. You know, he's got a lot. He's got some stuff going on. So, you know, maybe we'll do something every once in a while. But I got to run that by him and see what he wants to do. Let's see. Perthicio, hit the likes. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Let's see. Prenga, I saw you last time on Kite's channel. Don't give up, mate. Your channel will grow. I appreciate it. Yeah, we're growing slowly. The reason I say this is because Kite has teach me to be patient and the money will come. Absolutely. That is a great concept. Amar, hello, Johnny. Good to see you, my friend. Lazar, hi, Johnny. Good to see you as well. Josh V, hit hype. Let's go hit the likes. Thank you, my friend. I do appreciate you. But like I said, guys, hope you all doing better than me because I feel like shit right now. And I also took a little nap, so I feel a little bit better after taking like an hour and a half nap. But yeah, I did not intend to take a nap. But let's go ahead and talk TA here. Now I'm caught up with chat and everything. So, I need to use this. Cool. Alright, so starting off, you know, we've talked about this a couple times, and unfortunately, Price has just taken its sweet time doing absolutely nothing. So, we've been kind of ranging in this area. I could sit here and give you guys an established. What's Christmas mood? What does Christmas mood do? Like if I draw something, what's he gonna? No. You kind of see we're kind of established in like this range a little bit, and we've just been sitting here doing nothing. Unfortunately, this does happen, and this will happen at times. And just how, you know, waste can take its sweet time, and larger structures can take its time. Definitely, I guess, take its time to play out and show us what's available. It comes with the territory. Like I said, this style can definitely test your patience, especially like if you're on the side of, you know, I'm on both sides. If you're in a trade, one direction, both directions, and you just see Price doing this, it can be a little discouraging sometimes. But guys, I promise you something will happen sooner than later. Hopefully. I hope I don't say that. We used to get stuck in this range for another month. If that's the case, maybe it's solidifying this as support. We'll kind of have to see how things go. But here, we're just, you know, giving you guys... I want to know what this Christmas mood does. Does anyone know what this does? It changes the gear wheel in the bottom left to a... Ah, I see. That's stupid. I thought I did something... I know during Christmas, like I know if you guys opened up Tradingview during Christmas at all, it would show like snow falling on the screen, which is kind of cool. It would have been annoying for the stream, but I guess I'll keep it on. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. But let's go ahead and talk the levels, the trades that I'm in, what to look for next, or what to look for next time, or what to look for in the next move to come. I don't know why I butchered that 3 times. But let's go ahead and talk. First things first, keep an eye out on this macro level here, this macro pivot. This is going to be the macro pivot of the A. There's really, you know, this is going to be off of the larger structure, the larger setup here. That's going to be the larger C within the entirety of the bear market. I need to pull out this. This is the possibility. This is what I'm looking at. If BTC can get back above 17,600 and sustain, my bias is going to change towards the bulls a little bit, but there's a couple variations of what could come here in the near future that, you know, could necessarily not be bullish. But I just want to go ahead and talk about those variations just in case. Let's see. Okay. So first things first. First thing to consider is within this section of price action, we do have a larger A to a B, and we're looking like we're forming some sort of C. As of now, the C is the bottom here, unless we get a lower low. Then all that does is just extend it out to here. And that's still going to show a much larger ABC. If we get another pump higher to form something like this, which is one of the variations I want to talk about, then I'm going to change this a little bit to an A, to a B, to a C. That looks more pronounced in my opinion. That's what I'm be willing to change my, or at least change this structure to. But for me personally, I would have to get another pump to the upside and have a fail break or false break over that high. Once that does happen, then I can go ahead and consider this as a larger ABC. But until then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out the levels that you guys should be looking out for. The first one, actually, I'm even gonna get rid of this because, to be honest, I'm in trades already. I really don't need to take that into consideration. I just know where that 17,600 is. If we break back below 15.5, that's going to be where is it? There it is. That's going to be the macro pivot of the macro pivot. I keep saying macro. It's going to be the pivot of the larger A to hopefully be a larger ABC. Right. The next alternative, or the next opportunity you guys might have, is if we come up above this region at about 385, then come back below. This will definitely form the setup which I mentioned before, which is going to be this A to a B to a C. Then we can go ahead and look for a continuation downwards off of this. Well, make things easier, this here. Oh, let's see. Harvey, hey Johnny, hope you had a good Christmas. I'm ready to smash the new year with ABCs. I did have a great holiday season. I hope you did as well. And I am very excited to look forward to see what 2023 has to offer. I think, to be honest, guys, I talked about this a lot. I honestly think with the way we're approaching ABCs, how we're taking profit and kind of viewing things from a different perspective, I honestly think this is the way to. This is going to be a good year for trading. What do you think on the 4-hour BTC short? 4-hour BTC short ABC. I'll take a look at that here in a second. Is it the one I have highlighted here in the yellow? Or are you looking at something else? Because for me, that's going to be the bearish setup I'm looking to trade. But keep an eye on that 15.4, as well as look for a break above this high. Where is it? To show a possible larger ABC formation, bearish formation, and hopefully to get a reversal off of that. LTC is frustrating. it isn't getting long setups with ABC. Yeah, unfortunately, I'll go over LTC here in a little bit, but you know, there was no. If we came down and put it on a low, I would have taken that just in case. But it looks like if LTC doesn't come back down, I think I think she's due to come up and get to that 85.33. Let's see. No, at 16,191. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, so you're looking at this. Okay, let me get the ABC tool. This short ABC setup. Okay. So me personally, I'm already in a short position from up here. I think it's not the worst trade to take. Just because I'm in a short, I just personally would not take this. If anything, I would try to wait for a retest up here, but it doesn't necessarily have to happen. I would say it's decent. I probably would give you the green light on that. I give you the green light on that. Remember, if I honestly think if we're gonna pump, I think we're gonna come up and test that region. I'd rather you take it up here than come back down here. Let's see. What are your thoughts if we can expect some more bull run in 2023 or significant drop? It looks like we might be side ranging or consolidating for a long time. Opportunity for a grid bot. I think this year, I think we're definitely going to get an answer to what could be happening. Now, in order for me to kind of show you that, I want to take this out to, for example, like a 12-hour. So one of the things I have mentioned in the past as a possible opportunity for the bear market is that maybe we're done here, but maybe this is one larger A. And then we're due for a little bit of a correction pump here. Probably, I would say somewhere between like the 30K region, or maybe you come up to like 33, 34. And then potentially come back down and then go back down and visit those lower lows. That is a potential. That would line up to a similar size of what happened here in the bull market. I personally would like this a lot if this was the case. But we'll have to see how it pumps in the near future. If this is going to happen, we're probably, the odds are that we're either at a bottom or we're going to put in one more low. That's just me. That's just how I view things. The other alternative is, you know, going back down, straight down to that 11 to 10K region. Me personally, I would like to see this setup form, a much larger bear setup form. That would definitely give us more momentum or more pressure to come back down and test those lower lows. That's just me. But yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see, Mr. Glue Power, what happens. In regards to a grid bot, I'm not the biggest fan of certain types of bots. I'm not. If you're thinking about a grid bot the same way I'm thinking about it, like how we use the bot to automate our entries, that's fine. When I think grid, I think like trying to just trade ranges. For me personally, I'm just not the biggest fan of that, just because it's only good for established ranges, and yeah, it could work if that is the case, but we don't know where price is going to, if it's going to break out or just continue going sideways. Let's see. See, Pratheesh, if you invest 100K in crypto, it is a bull run. Oh my god. Gamer DXB, hello, good to see you, my friend. Hope you're doing well. Let's see, Andy. Hey man, good to log on again and catch your vids. Always very informative. Thank you so much, my friend. Good to see you. Let's see. I'm seeing people who says Q1 of this year is where the Fed will pivot and give us a market bottom. I will believe it when I see it. Yeah, I'm on the same boat. I don't believe anything the Fed says, to be honest, when it comes to, you know, giving us a break. Mr. Glue Power invested around 100K last December. We can all see how that worked out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, for Thish, don't do that to him. You should invest at the bottom, not at the top. Oh no. Tesla looks terrible. I'll take a look at Tesla. That was a cold one for Thish. That was a cold one. Cold jab. I really hope you didn't do that, Mr. Glue Power. Did you actually invest 100K last December? Oh shit, dude, I'm sorry. Did you get out or are you still holding? That's crazy, man. Let's see. It was bottom BTC 43K go to 200K. Do you remember? Yep. Okay. 8 January will be turning point. Someone says 100K BTC was pretty nuts. Caught a lot of people out. I have some 30K now, so 70% lost. Okay. I mean, if you're okay with holding it, man, that's not a bad DCA. Was it a terrible DCA point? Yeah, I think I'm on the same page as Berthish. As long as you're willing to hold that, I think you'll be all right. It might take a while for you to get those gains back, but I definitely think you'll benefit in the long run. Or if you're willing to sprinkle in some more now. Like I said, I don't know how much you're working with. If you're willing, not now, but I'm saying like if you're really ready to sprinkle in at certain levels, lower levels, I think it definitely will benefit you. But you know, I don't know what you're working with. I don't know what your plan is. Let's see. Mr. Glue Power's alts. Was it alts or in the BTC/ETH? Okay. So pretty much going back to what Mr. Glue Power said, I'm waiting for a larger setup to form in either direction. If we pump and continue to pump, I'm looking for a test of like the 30 to 34K region to put in a larger extended B and then possibly come down and put in another. See, that doesn't have to do that. We could just bottom here and just go, you know, slowly make our way up to new highs. But ultimately, that's what I like to see. Something very similar to what happened in the previous bull run. Very aggressive uptrend, pullback, and then the continuation higher. That would look nice to me. All right, let's take a look at ETH. Oh, geez. Wow. Apparently, no, you can't see anything from my window. Apparently, down the street from me, there was a big house fire. My dad's updating me. So for ETH, much larger picture, A to a B to a C. Ultimately, that's what I'm looking for. So I would need a break of that low. Another alternative of what could be happening is that we get something like this. Before continuing lower, something like that, where we get a bearish ABC on a much larger macro scale and then come back down to test those lows. That might give us enough pressure to catch probably like close to like that. Actually, I have to see. I need more price history. Come on. All right, based on previous price history, I would say the move, if ETH can't hold this low, I definitely would say the odds of going down towards like that 310 do increase. I'm not saying that's going to be the case. I kind of have to play my probabilities. And for me, what's most probable at the moment is if 876 does not hold, you know, we can come back down and get back above, but there's really no significant support to get back down to 310. So we'll have to see how that plays out. I'm not saying we can go exactly down to 310. I think we can kind of test the lower region of that, or the lower section of this range, but we'll have to see how that plays out. That's me. That's what I'm looking for if this is going to be a larger extended downtrend. But we'll have to, it really depends on what happens. We have that low here marked out, as well as we have the high at 2037 marked out, as in case it is a larger ABC, like I mentioned before. At this point, I'm in positions, I'm in short positions for either or, and I kind of have to just wait and see what happens. Let's see. Pratheesh, Mr. Glue Power, to December, war started, then Luna crashed, and FTX. I think he's talking about last year. No, but if we end up in an extended consolidation period, most altcoins will die off. Consolidating into stronger projects that won't die isn't the worst idea. Yeah, I think you got a point there, Harvey. Pratheesh, and Coinbase is still circling the drain. Could be the final leg down if that collapses. Don't tell me that, because I have people who have Coinbase accounts and stuff. Don't tell me that. We'll see what happens. I know you're not wrong, Harvey, but the top L1 coins now, I guess top L1 coins now just BTC and ETH. Only expectation is Dark Frontiers game, keeping some $300 in it. I have more to invest, but waiting for further drop. If BTC goes to 10K, we'll drop another 100K on it. Man, Mr. Glue Power, you got a bankroll. Jeez. Even I don't have a bankroll like that. Mr. Glue Power, would you like to send me 5 BTC and I will send you 10 back in return? It's a joke, my friend. Don't send me 5 BTC unless you really want to give it to me for like a late Christmas present. I'll be okay with that. I'm just joking, my friend. You know I'm just joking. Mr. People, hey, if Mr. Glue Power is in the right place, you know, he's listening to, he's got some good head on his shoulders, you know, the community here. If you send me that message in January, I'm like, that's funny. I mean, he's got money to play, and if he understands, and but I saw too many videos of that scam. Damn, I missed the opportunity. No worries. I mean, Mr. Glue Power can learn the way of the ABCs, or just learn how to be a better investor in general. I think he'll be how I say this. He'll definitely have a great bull run. I'll just say that at the very least. Because to be honest, buying into like DCAing is not hard. Like, you can do it there's different ways to do it. I have my own way how I DCA things, but even still, that is the plan. Yeah, and as long as you stick to that, honestly, Mr. Glue Power, like, don't dedicate too much to leverage trading. Leverage trading should be a part of your portfolio and how you expose yourself, but it shouldn't be the main thing, especially when you're working with, like I said, I'm not going to assume, but based on what you've been telling the chat, I think you got some money to play with. If you do have money to play with, the less exposure you have to leverage trading, the better, in my opinion. But if you can get good, it definitely can carry you. I gotta go wage sleep, start buying some more dips before it's too late. Unfortunately, yeah. I think you got some time, Harvey. You got some time. I think you got at least another year and a half before it's too late, in my opinion. So whatever you got to do, whatever it takes. But sorry, going back to ETH. That's pretty much it for ETH, though. In regards to that, I'm in my long position from 1178, which is this low here. as well as I'm also shorting from this high. And I'm pretty much gonna let these coins, I would let these two positions fight out. And whoever prevails, hopefully will get a much larger move to either direction, so I get to walk away with some profit. But that's the goal, that's the plan. Let's go over LTC. All right, so for LTC, the larger macro picture for me, it's going to be this is an ABC. I'm most likely looking for another leg lower to complete the C wave. Something like this. I would need to get a low past, what is that, $40.37. So if we get back below, if we can cross below and then get back above, that's going to show a lot of strength in my opinion. And that's why I'm willing to short off of this setup here. So off of this ABC here, with the potential of having another extended C leg up here, if that does happen, I will take it, but I need to see that higher high be placed first. Until then, I'm still gonna continue to short that 73.35. But if, like I said, if we get a higher high to form an ABC within the C, I will absolutely be taking that instead. Let's see. Alif, hey Johnny, nice to see you. Good to see you too, my friend. Can you have a look at Vault 12 for securing seed phrases? I'll be traveling a lot for the next couple of years. Interesting. Yes, I will take a look at that, Alif, in one moment. Bro, can you look at GTO next? Can it reach 0.048 from here with the next move? Oh yeah, I'll take a look at that. Alif, I will do that after this. Is it like a coin or is it a stock? Do you know the ticker for that, Gamer DXP? Just want to make sure I got to get the right one. So next time, my friend, greetings. Prenga, good to see you, my friend. I hope to catch you on the next one. If not, no worries. We'll be here. But it's always good to see you. Coin GTO. I need something a little more price history. Coin GTO. This has got to be it. Gifto? This has got to be it. Okay, yes, this one. All right. So let's see. From how I view things, let's see. Obviously, I look for things from an ABC perspective. The macro pivot is above this region, which you can see price did play around in a lot. The next logical step for me would have been looking for something like this. Unfortunately, we did not get a lower low. I would want to see a lower low past that 0.1057, but it looks like we got a double bottom. When it comes to resistance, I would say the next lodge, if you don't get back below here, the next step is to get back above here. I would possibly look to short if price does something like this. So I think a pump temporarily could be the case. Yeah, I would say if this coin gets above 0.03783 and we continue to push up, that's gonna look decent. I gotta take it level by level though. That's the next logical step, is 38 or whatever this peak is here, this wick. Yeah, around 0.03804. If not, I'm gonna be looking for that level to be tested. There's really gonna be no ABC set up based off of that though. But so that's gonna be the next logical step. If you can't get a lower low and past 0.01057, probably gotta come up and test that 0.03783. If it fails, look for lower. If we continue, probably the next step is probably going to be, sorry about that, that 0.09, and then you can go ahead and look for close to all the new highs. But that's pretty much it for that. Let me know if that's you need any more explanation, gamer. That's pretty much all I have for that. 0.037 is the next logical step. Let's see. Can you look at Vault 12 for securing seed phrases? I have no idea what that is, Elite, but I will take a look. What is it called? I want to pull this up on the side. Vault 12. Thank you, bro. No problem, my friend. Hope it helps. Is this it, a leaf? I mean, I don't know too much about this. I've never heard of this. I mean, I don't. The white paper. How long is the white paper? 34 pages. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Unfortunately, I really have no experience in this. I don't know what this is. I would do my best to try to do as much research as you can, especially if you're going to secure something like seed phrases onto here. Worst case scenario, what I do is I never put everything I have into one wallet. I always spread everything I have across other wallets. So maybe if you're gonna be traveling a lot, maybe take a portion of your funds or funds that you think you'll need for that time frame, secure it onto there so you don't overexpose in case something does happen to this. That's always a good rule of thumb. But I mean, it looks decent. If anyone else has any experience, let me know, or let Alif know. But unfortunately, I do not have experience with this app. Shall we do Wordle? Okay, so that's a good start. Let me just pull up chat here again. Hold on, my dad's still texting me. Hold on, this has got interesting. Jeez. Greetings, bro. I would like to know the BTC movement by the end of the week. Unfortunately, that's not necessarily how I roll. The best I could do is give you the levels that are important, and then you can go ahead and go from there. In my opinion, you can just go sideways the entire time. It can go sideways for another week, 2 weeks if you wanted to. The most important things to keep in mind is this low at 15,450. That's a major support we have to hold, as well as we have the opportunity to come up and break this high if we continue to push higher. But besides that, that's pretty much all I work with. I'm in a short from down here, so yeah. Like I said, unfortunately, that's not the way I roll. That's not how I view things. I view things by levels, not by how long things are going to take, because this could take another couple weeks. Pratish, don't cheat. I'm not cheating. I'm literally texting someone, okay? I'm texting people. This is kind of important because, like I said, there's a house fire that happened down the street. And I have to leave the house later. That might be screwing me, because if it's the place I'm thinking of, that's the way I have to leave to get home. Or, sorry, to get out of here to go where I have to go. So I'm just making sure, Pratish, I'm not cheating. All right, let's go back. I appreciate the concern, though. Thanks, bro. No problem, my friend. Like I said, if you have any other questions, please let me know. We're here just doing a little side game, just to kill a little bit of time. All right. What do you guys think? Something with an A and an I. Could be Anvil. That's a good guess. I'm gonna try that. Oh, that was a fantastic guess. The Vigavoss twins are the founders of all 12, or one of the founders. Well, I mean, that's good. That's good reassurance. I had no idea, guys. Anvil was a fantastic guess. Anne with an I. Niraj, good to see you, my friend. How you doing, buddy? We're just playing some Wordle here, just, you know, passing some time. I want to say Antic. What do you guys think? Is Antic a good one? I almost want to say Arctic, but obviously there's no R. I think Antic's a good one. If it's not this is my best guess. We got it. Guys, I'm supposed to go out and do stuff today. I don't know if I can. I feel like absolute dog shit. Starting to get a headache. I might take an Advil. Where the hell did I put my Advil? No. I might take some like cough, some like flu medicine. Cheat mode confirmed. Antic is not. Come on, you seriously? Antic is not a crazy word. You guys are just gonna keep accusing me of cheating now. You know, maybe next time I will cheat. How about that? How's that sound? Maybe next time I will cheat. I want to take some like cold and flu medicine. I don't have any in my room. I gotta go out in the kitchen. I know you're messing with me, Harvey. It's all jokes here. I figured I'd let you guys know. The channel is doing pretty well. We are at 483 subscribers. So we're getting close to the 500 mark, folks. Like I said, when 500 subs comes, I will be opening up the Discord. I'll be changing there's going to be, I guess, a temporary sale for the lifetime membership. If you guys aren't interested, like I said, it's not guaranteed, but I know some people want to get in. And I know some people aren't the biggest fan of the price, which, you know, once things in the future, I might consider. I might take a look and change things. I don't think so though. You guys get access. I haven't posted in a while just because nothing has really happened. I give you guys some of the alternatives of what could be happening. But you guys get access to real-time setups, as well as you guys get access to tutorial videos, how to do the ABC method, everything you'll need from a trading psychology standpoint, which is arguably more important than the actual ABC stuff. And then your basic leverage trading tutorials, how to use risk, how to use the simple support resistance method, setting alerts, basically some basic things you'll need to. And eventually I'm going to add a section for the bot, or I'm going to start making tutorial videos on the bot once I get my hands on a working version of what David Tech and I have been working with, or working with. If you have old, stop drinking milk. I hate milk, so you don't have to worry about that. Just 44 on my YouTube. Google is lying to us. Oh, if it's 44, fantastic. Did you take the big XRP ABC loan? I missed the wick, which was annoying. I did not, unfortunately. Wow. And look at that. Look at that, folks. I did not even notice this. But this is how it's done. I wish I knew. I probably would have tried to take it. It's on a 1 hour. This is a beautiful setup. Even on a 2 hour, I'm zoomed out completely and it's filling up the majority of my screen. So if you guys are interested, I will let you know as soon as the channel gets to 500 subs. We're gonna do a special apply for 2 to 3 days where you gotta allow you guys to get access to the Discord for lifetime for the price of a month. And you can come if you want to come in, sign up for a month or two, learn as much as you want, and go on your way. I've had people do that as well. There's no hard feelings if that's the case. I'd rather that be the case, to be honest. At least you guys are absorbing the information. I'm not sitting here trying to milk every last dollar from you. But that was a fantastic. I wish I was on top of this. It's very unfortunate, Harvey. It almost got down to that lowest low too. If you have a hangover, drink 2 more. Yeah. Yeah, that's what they always say. The cure to hangover is just to drink more. Hair of the dog. Nah, I was just. That's funny. It like hurts like right here, man. This fucking headache sucked. I know I had cough and flu medicine here. I don't remember. I'm gonna try one game of Wordle Unlimited. I was gonna say, how funny would it have been if it was the same word, but it's not. Okay, that was a good one. That was a good one, Harvey, but there's a T in there. I gotta come up with another thing to do on stream. If you guys have any other games or something you want me to do, Extra is a good one. I like Extra. Okay, so the T's in the middle. It's always like, for some reason, Wordle Unlimited is so much harder than the actual Wordle itself. But Extra was a great guess. ETA. Oh, I see. Sudoku. I'm not gonna. I'd rather play this than Sudoku. I feel like Sudoku. I can't do Sudoku. Well, I like this. This is a fun game to where I can get you guys involved in. You know what I mean? And I don't want to sit here and play video games because that's way overdone. And if anything, like I said, I have a separate Twitch channel. I probably plan on using that a lot more. But it really depends on what I have going on. Metal. That's a good one. That's actually a good one. Okay. The metal. I want to say with a B, but I don't think a B is right. Oh, that's Oh, but this. You think that's a good one? This is a 50-50 guess, guys. Well, we already had a P though. The P didn't work, so it's got to be F. You can see the P here. I don't think it's pedal. I think it's with an F. I'm gonna try it. Good job, guys. If it's wrong, it's for Athish's fault. All right, I think this one more is good. Yeah, had to be with an F. That was a tough one. That was. If you want to do another one, we can. Do you guys want to do another one or no? It's fun. It's fun to pass the time. Unfortunately, like I said, when it comes to how we trade, sometimes price action gets really slow. So, when I want to see a couple of you guys chime in. If you guys want to, I know Harvey said yes. There's about 10 of you in here. If I can get another 2 or 3 more yeses, I'll do another one. But yeah, for some reason it sucks. Like I feel bad. I know here I'm streaming. I want to entertain you guys. I don't want to play video games like every other Joe Schmo who's on YouTube. That's why it'd be nice. Maybe, like I said, maybe once in a while, maybe we can get Kai and I can do a stream together once in a while. Oh, Loris, you are absolutely right. I am so sorry. You did say that before. Let's do test. Oh, wow. All right, guys. If you choose one more coin to use ABCs on consistent basis, what coin would it be? Great question. If it's not BTC ETH or LTC, to be honest, I would say ADA. I'd say ADA would be a good coin because ABCs has to have, like, in order for ABCs to work well, you need to have liquidity. That's the most important thing, is liquidity. If you have a random shit coin that's not gonna have a lot of liquidity, ABCs are not going to be. Is that ABC too small? The one I have on screen right here, Loris, on ADA, or are you talking about the one on Tesla? Just clarify, let me know. I'll go back to Tesla though, but to answer your question, Harvey, I would probably, if I had to pick one, I'd say ADA. I always lose trading ADA. It surprises me you would say that. It's tough because that's if I gave you one coin. Most of the time, I look for coins with higher liquidity with a very sizable ABC. I don't like XRP that much. And like, out of the list that I have, I would say maybe I don't trade BCH that much. But the only thing that sticks out to me that's probably make the most sense out of this entire list, it's probably ADA. Today is BTC's 14th birthday. Oh shit! Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, sorry, Loris. Tesla. Unfortunately, Loris, yes, that is too small of an ABC. In my opinion, just because like the overall the rules that I go for, especially with stocks, I feel like maybe with stocks you might be able to get away with a little bit of a smaller perspective, just because it's less volatile. But even still, like, I don't like this one too much. Now this could be the beginning of a larger one Now, Loris, if we get an ABC like this that forms an A, an up, a retest, and then a continuation lower, that would fit the criteria probably, in my opinion. But besides that, guys, from a support resistance standpoint, I told you that, you know, this 108 has to hold, and we're kind of at that point right now. If this doesn't hold, we're going to $90. And if Tesla goes to $90, and that's, you got to look at it from a support resistance standpoint, there is nothing else significant past $90, in my opinion, until we get back down to 23. That would be insane. Like I said, I would absolutely buy some. I'd probably buy a share at 90, and I'd probably buy like 10 or 20 shares at 23 if we can get that low. To a couple $100, $200, $300, $200 to $400. I'd probably just buy 10 shares, to be honest. That'll be a fantastic buy, though, $23. Thank you, man. Of course. I hope that, I'm so sorry I forgot about you, but thank you for reminding me. If I had to pick one, it would be BNB or Ape. I mean, out of those two, Harvey, I'd say BNB. Ape is just another shit coin, in my opinion. That's crazy. I gotta keep my eye on Tesla now. Thank you for pointing that out, Loris. How's the SPY doing? Everything else is doing decent. Oh, DXY. Okay, interesting. If the DXY forms a significant support around here, this is what I think it might help us propel down to those lower lows. All right, guys, one more. We're gonna do one more Wordle, and I'm gonna go ahead and call the stream just because I feel like absolute garbage. I need to take some medicine. I have a headache. This has just been a fantastic day. Let's go ahead and play another one. How do I restart this game? What the hell has an O, an S, or sorry, an O, an N, a K, and an E in it? I'm thinking as well, as you guys feel free to chime in. Crone token. Those are both good guesses. I'm gonna do Crone first just because that was suggested first. Crone's an interesting word. I never really heard of that. Right, it's got to be token. What is not token? Token, woken, maybe? Is there any other letter this can go with? Loken, Pokin. Maybe Pokin, but I think Woken too. I'll try Woken. We got it. Good job, folks. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just call it a stream. Like I said, unfortunately, I don't feel the best right now. I would do more if I didn't feel like shit, or if I didn't feel like shit. So definitely on Thursday, I will be back. Like I said, keep an eye on streams for Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. That's gonna be a schedule for a while. But I appreciate all of you guys who stopped by, ask great questions, ask for me to look at coins, contribute to the conversation, help me out on Wordle. Oh, Perthish. Also, Kite's around. He's been just doing his own thing. He's got some stuff going on. So But you'll see. He'll be back soon, probably. I'll get better soon, dude. I really do appreciate you, Harvey. But guys, thank you to every single one of you who decided to hang out on Hang On Me today. Listen to TA. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be on the lookout around a little bit earlier than today, probably like 1:30, 1 o'clock to 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, or New York time if you're not from the US. So, but yeah, get well soon. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys for stopping by. It's good to see every single one of you. But until then, hopefully maybe we'll get something going on. I doubt it. I can be hopeful though. Be good, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully I won't be as sick next time, but thanks again.